Great hiring is a team effort. This short video explains how to add your hiring team to your account on thepostingboard.com, send magic link access, manage user permissions, and seamlessly connect to our sister site, thepostingboard.jobs, to begin sharing your open positions. Let's start by logging into your account. Select Member Login, then enter your email and password. From your members dashboard, scroll down to Job Board. Click the highlighted button to begin. First, let's set up your team so hiring is easy to manage. If you don't have a team, go straight to Post Jobs Now to get started. Under Team Accounts Management, click Add Team Member. Enter their name and email, then hit Add Member. Once done, they'll receive a magic link by email that connects them directly to your job board so they can jump in and help manage open positions. In addition, you can also copy the login link here and share it with team. As members are added, they'll appear in the table. You also manage their login access here when needed. Once your team is set, go to the top of the page and click Post Jobs Now to begin publishing your open positions on our sister site, thepostingboard.jobs. Once engaged, team members can easily access the job board anytime. Just send them to thepostingboard.com. Click Login at the top right. Select the Team Login tab, enter email address, and click Send Magic Link. A secure link will be sent directly to their inbox, giving them instant access to the job board and your team dashboard. Post as a team so the right candidate finds your door. Align your message and let trust lead the way. Show your commitment and grow your impact on thepostingboard.com, Treatment's one-stop resource site.